Alright, there's a lot of times where people don't video the not so pleasant things to do on a homestead. They just kind of tell you what they do. So when I'm here is that I'm in front of my chicken coops, and they have gotten rank. It's pretty nasty. So I'm in there. I'm gonna take this pitchfork, and you can't do it with a shovel because I got a lot of hay in there. And I'm gonna take that. That's all chicken. I mean chicken shit. That's what that is. And hay and dirt. I'm gonna take that out of there. I'm gonna replace it with some new hay, and then they'll refill it. I'm gonna get buckets and buckets of this stuff just in this 2 little runs right here, and try and refreshen them up. Man, it's nasty in there, and I'm gonna tell y'all it's nasty all throughout there. So you come in, whew, the smell is just ammonia and nasty manure smell. But I'm gonna take, look at them roaches. Say the roaches. Yeah, roaches. You think the chickens would handle that? They will. They can get them. But I need to clean all of this out. Get all of that cleaned out. Spider webs all up in here. I'm gonna clean this whole area up. The guineas are making some noise. I want to get around to the other side, but the other side's even worse. Got some rot going on in the chicken coops over here. See, look. Let's come around. Yeah, but I mean, I knew when I built these that rot would occur with the wood I use. I used wood that would rot. I knew it. I mean, it's hard using treated lumber for everything. I'd used it for some things, and it didn't bother me too much, but I was using lumber that was left over from what I had. But it's still, I mean, it's still solid. It's just rotting on the thing, so I got to take that out of there. I don't have my gloves on, but I mean, that hay, that's just nasty. It's wet. Yeah, that's disgusting. See how it's matted? That's just disgusting hay from. So I need to take that all out of there, and clean this up. I'm gonna try and let it air dry out. Whew. Nasty. This one looks like it's doing a little bit better, but I'm gonna take all of that out, replace the hay, replace the shavings. I got the eggs that I took out. Just, oh, nasty. This is one of them nasty things. I need to keep up with this more. And see, the wood is kind of rotten right here. So, I mean, because it stays wet. You can kind of see. I mean, I knew that was going to happen. I was going to have to replace some of this wood as time goes on. But, it's not like it's my house. It's a chicken coop. And I will allow, it's been almost 3 years I've been here. And I built this right away. So, that's pretty good that it's holding up as good as it is, and I'll probably get another about 3 or 4 more years before I really have to tear into this and get on it. But I'll replace pieces and parts. I'm not going to replace the whole thing, because that's treated lumber right there. That's all treated lumber. So we're going to leave that, and I'll just replace what I have to. I mean, it's not like it's my inside house, but it's holding together. That's just really torn apart in there. You can see where that nail is, that screw. You know, I need to put another piece of wood in there, but it's holding tight. Anyway, all right, I just wanted y'all to see what nasty things happen. Here, maybe I'm gonna put this on and do a little show. Oh, kind of chicken underneath the bush. Oh, good thing there, you know, little lady. I don't have my gloves on either. But, you know, you take that pitchfork and get it in there, and it's all matted. See how that's a mat? You can't really use a shovel. A mat of hay and chicken shit. That's all that is. And you're just gonna use that for fertilizer. It's been in there for about a year. But the last time I did this, oh God, the smell. Whew. The smell is just unbelievable. See how that mats up? You try and do that with a shovel. I tried to do that with a shovel last time, and it was terrible. See? That's heavy. That's nothing but chicken shit. Smell. Oh God. You gotta have a strong disposition to handle that smell. So, anyways, I'm gonna try and keep getting on this. There's some roots in there too from trees around here. Oh, gee, so nasty. That is nasty. Woo! I am telling you, that'll try. I mean, I smelled putrefaction and dead bodies before. This is making it about the same. Oh God! Oh, see? Oh. Oh man, that stinks. That is nothing but chicken shit and manure. And, oh, I don't even know how else to. I'm not trying to be vulgar. I'm just telling you flat out what it is. Whew. That is a nasty smell. Nasty. That's a nasty smell. Oh. Oh. God, that's so stinky. Got a lot of that already in that compost pile. I mean, if I hit it, Watch, I'm gonna hit it for y'all. Come on. Then you gotta turn it. Gotta turn them compost piles every now and then.